These two tools that I'm going to talk about today, the single phase ID, the part number on that is SPID, and the three phase ID, the part number on that is TPID. Again, these tools are relatively new. We developed these tools for major investor-owned utilities. They requested a tool to work for their specific requests that they had. And the single phase ID tool here, I've got one here. It works off 18-volt batteries. It can be off any platform. We have it set up for Milwaukee today in this demonstration, but any 18-volt platform will work. The three-phase ID kind of expanded off the single-phase ID concept, where instead of doing one phase, we're doing three phases. We added a little bit more variation to it, that you can get any type of an attachment that you may need. So I've got an alligator clamp here. We're going to be using elbows that I have in this cabinet here. You can get ball studs, C-clamps, so you can get an array of different type of accessories as far as attachments for the three-phase ID. The single-phase ID just comes standard with alligator clips, but for today's demonstration, we do have a custom-made elbow that you can use for the single-phase ID. But both of these tools can be used for overhead, underground, any URD or cable station cable installations. So you can positively ID open conductors. Again, positively ID conductors that are grounded on one end. You have the device attached on this end, and also testing for removal of grounds. So that's kind of a new area where especially the three-phase ID has been applied, where it's performing what's called a soft ground check. So this again is a new, to us it's new anyway, where again the utility is using it as a soft ground check just to see if either the cable is grounded, the de-energized cable is grounded, or in this case right here, whenever we're using the tool, whenever you remove the grounds. So that's a real big safety factor in utilities, where if you have to remove grounds, let's say on phase A, and you're looking at the device here and that person removes the grounds. I mean, this can be blocks away, half a mile away, whatever, and they remove that ground. You want to see a positive identification on this tool. So if you're doing it with the single phase ID, you're going to see the pass light go away. If you're doing it on the three-phase ID, you're going to see the corresponding phase light go away. So it's a really good tool for that application. And again, you can use this tool on multiple sets of grounds. So what I mean by that is if I'm, let's say, working in, say, a 6-block area, and 3 blocks away I have one set of grounds, but I want to continue to ID past that 3 block to the 6th block, I don't have to remove my grounds on the 3rd block. So I can leave my grounds attached and continue IDing. So that's a real big safety factor built into these tools.